How to contact EA customer support. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up any browser you have, and once you do that, search for EA support. Then navigate to this website that says EA help. Now, once you are on this page right here, you will see that there are two sections, the game section and the EA account section. Now, keep in mind that most of the help and the customer support servers will be available for this game section. As if you head over to the EA account section, most of the help on this page right here will be articles and blogs that shows you how to solve your problem. So let's go back to the game section and see how we can contact the support. Say for example that we are having a problem on this game right here. We will click on it. And once we do that, we will get to this page right here in which we will be able to select our problem. Say for example this one. And here, as you can see, if we scroll down, you will see that there's this option that says chat with us. This is the customer support service, which will allow you to chat with them directly. For some other maybe games or problems, you will see that there are also a second option that says email us, which allows you to contact them by email. And also, this chat with us option won't be available for every game or problem, so it depends. You will either find the chat with us option, the email us option, or both of them. It depends on the game and on the problem. So let's go back and see how the account issues problem will look like. Let's navigate to this section. And for example, let's just click on security or something like that. And as you can see right here, it will ask you to log into your account. Once you do that, it will give you some kind of articles and blogs, just like the ones you see on social media that shows you how to do certain stuff. And they are actually pretty self-explanatory. So that was it for this video. That's how you can contact the EA customer support team. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.